Namaste and welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life. Have you ever wondered why some people face repeated delays, emotional struggles, financial problems, or unexpected obstacles despite working hard? According to Vedic Astrology, certain planetary combinations known as Papi Yogas are believed to indicate karmic lessons and life challenges. But here's the interesting part. These yogas are not curses. They are cosmic signals that can lead to transformation, spiritual growth, and inner strength. In today's video, we'll explore the 5 most feared Papi Yogas in astrology: Grahan Yoga, Chandal Yoga, Kal Sarp Yoga, Bandhan Yoga, and Daridra Yoga, and understand their effects and remedies. And if you'd like a more detailed explanation with tables and FAQs, do visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Let's begin. Many people become frightened when they hear the term Papi Yoga, but in reality, these yogas are not punishments. They are combinations involving planets like Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, and Mars that often bring karmic lessons. They may create emotional stress, delays, financial instability, or relationship challenges. Yet they also push us towards self-awareness and spiritual evolution. Think of them not as cosmic curses, but as life teachers. With the right mindset, discipline, charity, prayers, and conscious living, these difficult combinations can become stepping stones for personal growth. Now let's understand the 5 most talked about Papi Yogas one by one. Grahan Yoga occurs when the sun or moon comes together with Rahu or Ketu. When the sun is involved, it affects confidence, career, and relationship with the father. When the moon is involved, it influences emotions, peace of mind, and relationship with the mother. People with Grahan Yoga may experience sudden ups and downs, emotional instability, and karmic challenges, but they often possess strong intuition and spiritual tendencies. Simple remedies include chanting Surya or Chandra mantras, worshipping Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu, practicing meditation, and performing charity during eclipse periods. When approached wisely, this yoga can become a catalyst for profound inner growth. Chandal Yoga forms when Jupiter joins Rahu or Ketu in the birth chart. Since Jupiter represents wisdom and morality, and Rahu represents illusion, this combination can create confusion in beliefs and judgment. Such people may question traditions, challenge accepted ideas, and sometimes struggle with ethical dilemmas. However, they also possess extraordinary curiosity and interest in mysticism and occult sciences. Strengthening Jupiter through charity on Thursdays, serving teachers, maintaining good company, and chanting Guru mantras can reduce its negative effects. Proper guidance can transform this yoga into a source of wisdom and higher understanding. Among all Papi Yogas, Kal Sarp Yoga is perhaps the most feared. It occurs when all planets are trapped between Rahu and Ketu. This often results in delays, anxiety, sudden rises and falls, and repeated struggles. But surprisingly, many people with Kal Sarp Yoga experience extraordinary success after periods of hardship. This yoga often creates intense spiritual awakening and self-discovery. Worshipping Lord Shiva, chanting the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, observing Nag Panchami, and performing Kal Sarp Dash remedies can help balance these energies. Remember, even the most difficult periods can prepare us for extraordinary achievements. One fascinating example often discussed by astrologers is Nelson Mandela. He reportedly had Kal Sarp dosha and spent 27 years in prison. Yet, instead of being broken, he emerged stronger and eventually became the president of South Africa and an icon admired across the world. This demonstrates an important truth. Papi Yogas do not decide our destiny. They may create hardships, but determination, patience, and spiritual growth can transform adversity into greatness. Your horoscope may show possibilities, but your actions shape your future. Bandhan Yoga doesn't always mean physical imprisonment. More often, it manifests as emotional bondage, toxic relationships, financial stress, legal disputes, or feeling trapped in life. This yoga usually involves malefic planets influencing the 6th, 8th, or 12th houses. People may experience repeated setbacks and restrictions, yet these struggles often strengthen their inner resilience. Regular chanting of Hanuman Chalisa, Rudrabhishek, charitable acts, and maintaining ethical conduct are considered powerful remedies. Sometimes, life's biggest prisons are the ones we create in our own minds. Daridra Yoga is associated with financial instability and difficulties in accumulating wealth. It forms when the lords of wealth-related houses are afflicted or connected with malefic planets. However, this yoga does not condemn anyone to poverty. It simply indicates that money may come after effort, discipline, and wisdom. Worshipping Goddess Lakshmi, performing food donations, maintaining cleanliness, and practicing gratitude are believed to reduce its intensity. Many successful people have experienced financial hardships before achieving abundance. Sometimes struggles teach us the true value of prosperity. Are these yogas really curses? The answer is no. Every horoscope contains strengths and weaknesses. Papi Yogas are not punishments. They are opportunities to balance karmic lessons and become stronger individuals. Through self-awareness, spiritual practices, charity, and righteous living, their negative effects can be greatly minimized. Remember, astrology is not meant to create fear. Its purpose is to create awareness. The stars may influence us, but they do not control us. Ultimately, our actions, attitude, and consciousness shape our destiny. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand that even the most feared Papi Yogas are not signs of doom, but opportunities for growth and transformation. Here on Variety is the Spice of Life. We regularly explore fascinating topics from astrology, fitness, food, inspiring stories, and timeless wisdom designed to enrich your life. If you found this video valuable, please support the channel by hitting the like button, sharing it with friends and family, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss our future videos. For a deeper understanding of these yogas, their effects, remedies, and frequently asked questions, do visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Until we meet again, remember, your birth chart may show possibilities, but your choices create your destiny. Stay positive, stay aware, and keep adding variety to your life because truly, variety is the spice of life.